Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to log out from ChatGPT in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to sign out of your ChatGPT account, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To log out your ChatGPT account, first of all, open the ChatGPT app on your mobile device or on your computer. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the menu icon located at the top left corner of the screen. A sliding menu will open on the left side. Scroll down and tap on your profile name at the bottom of the menu. Now, a settings screen will open. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you will see the logout option. Just tap on it. Now, you will be signed out of your ChatGPT account, and the login screen will appear. You can log in again anytime by entering your email and password or using Google.